Brad Williams, Frugal Finance, budgeting for home maintenance, planning for the unexpected. Slide 1. Welcome to the real world of homeownership. Let's be real, owning a home isn't just a milestone. It's a constant balancing act between comfort and upkeep. While mortgage payments are expected, what often catches people off guard are the drips, creaks, and clunks that creep up without warning. That leaking roof, the sluggish HVAC, the suddenly rebellious dishwasher, they're all part of the package. The key difference between panic and preparedness, a smart maintenance budget. This isn't about being scared of surprises, it's about staying a step ahead. When you budget for upkeep and emergencies, your home doesn't control you, you own it fully, literally, and financially. So if you think budgeting is boring, think again. It's your secret weapon for peace of mind and a house that keeps giving, not taking. Let's dive in and build your repair-proof plan. The cost of doing nothing. Here's a number that turns heads. In 2023, U.S. homeowners spent an average of $2,400 on maintenance, plus another $1,600 on emergency repairs, according to Angie's annual report. That's more than $4,000 flying out of pockets for issues many didn't see coming. And that's just the average. For older homes or those in extreme climates, costs can easily double. It's not just about roofs and leaks. We're talking HVAC breakdowns, plumbing fiascos, peeling paint, worn out windows. The list is long and the price tags are longer. When these expenses hit without warning or plan, homeowners turn to credit cards or loans, adding stress to the mix. But with a clear maintenance budget, you're not reacting, you're ready. Budgeting turns unpredictable headaches into solvable tasks. It transforms stress into strategy. Real numbers, real fixes. Let's make this real. That lush lawn you admire? Monthly lawn care runs $100 to $400. Appliance repairs? $100 to $400 per appliance. Need to repaint a room? Expect $350 to $850. Roof repair? Try up to $1,500. And if your furnace throws in the towel on a cold weekend, emergency services cost $300 an hour. These aren't rare scenarios. They're part of the rhythm of homeownership. Major replacements aren't any gentler. A new HVAC system might set you back $16,000, and window replacements aren't far behind. The point isn't to scare, it's to prepare. These are costs of living in a space that serves you daily. Keeping them means building a budget that reflects life, not just the Instagram versions of the home sweet home. Choosing a budget style that works for you. Not all homeowners are the same, and neither are their budgets. Some prefer simple formulas. The 1% rule suggests saving 1% of your home's value yearly. So a $400,000 home means $4,000 a year. Or try the square footage rule. Save $1 per square foot, easy math. But if those feel too rigid, set a fixed monthly amount based on your income and automate it. $100 to $300 a month can go a long way. There's no magic number, just consistent action. Budgeting isn't about perfection. It's about forming habits that align with your lifestyle. You're not trying to cover every possible repair at once. You're steadily building a buffer that puts you back in the driver's seat. Pick a method that works for you and stick with it. What drives your cost up or down? Let's personalize your plan. How old is your home? Older properties usually need more TLC. What's the climate like? If you're living through blazing summers or harsh winters, systems like HVAC and insulation work overtime and break faster. Location matters too. Urban markets might have higher labor costs or stricter building codes. Then there's the big picture view. Your home's components have expiration dates. Asphalt shingles last about 20 years. Wood windows can go up to 30. And furnaces, they typically hold strong for 15 to 25 years. Keeping tabs on when systems were last replaced can help you predict the next big expenses. Smart maintenance budgeting isn't just math. It's understanding your home's unique rhythm. And with that insight, you go from reactive repairs to strategic planning. Gamify your home care plan. Budgeting doesn't have to be boring, and savings doesn't have to feel like sacrifice. Make it fun. Open a separate high-yield savings account and name it something cheeky, the Leaf Slayer Fund or Nail the Roof Nest Egg. Automate transfers so it grows quietly in the background. You can even treat it like leveling up, achievement unlocked, window replacement fund complete. Set mini goals for specific repairs. Celebrate when you reach them. Some banks offer trackers and milestones, making these feel like a financial quest with rewards. Even a small monthly deposit builds confidence. When that repair bill shows up, you won't stress. You tap into your stash with a smirk. That's what preparation looks like when it meets a little personality. Winning the maintenance game. Let's tie it all together. A solid home maintenance plan isn't just about dollars. It's about control, confidence, and protecting your future. Start by prioritizing urgent repairs that affect safety and function, roofs, wiring, major systems. Schedule regular inspections, twice a year roof checks, HVAC tune-ups, plumbing reviews. These minor efforts prevent home damage. Warranties, use them. They're your secret weapon for avoiding out-of-pocket costs. Home warranties might be worth it too. They can offer peace of mind and log everything. Dates, estimates, contractors. That history helps with planning and boosts your home's resale value. When you approach maintenance like a strategy, not a scramble, you spend less, stress less, and keep your home humming. It's not glamorous, but it's powerful. Your home, your plan, your peace of mind. Here's the truth. There will always be something to fix. That's not a flaw, it's a feature of living. Breathing space that shelters your life. But when you've built a plan, one that accounts for your home's quirks, your financial reality, and your long-term vision, those problems don't feel scary. They feel solvable. That's what budgeting gives you. Options, power, peace. Whether you're stashing 1% of your home's value or carving out $150 a month, the key is consistency and care. You don't have to predict every leak or system failure, but you can be the kind of homeowner who sees them coming and says, let's handle it. And that kind of foresight, that's as valuable as a solid foundation. That's as valuable as a solid foundation. You're a homeowner, you know what I'm talking about. The never-ending repairs. It's just part of home ownership. If you have any tips, if you have any great DIY suggestions, comment. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.